there you have it, all set up in position. We just need to install the air hockey table.
Has a fan.
It has a fan, so it'll have to be plugged in when you're playing that game. We'll figure that out. Meanwhile, we can play pool. Yeah, and these benches are really nice. They have storage inside. Too bad you can't put in the ping pong tabletop in there too. Oh, okay. Here you go. Does it come with chalk?
Yeah, there's chalk in there too.
Oh, I see. There's chalk in there too. Cool.
Oh, they're beautiful.
First time racking up the pool balls.
Ooh, they're slippery. Very slippery.
Well, our fingers have been in a dusty environment too. I guess we should keep the box, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep the box. Nice. It's slippery too. Everything is
Yeah.
slippery. So these are beautiful.
Here's the chalk.
So it's not in a zip bag.
It's a snip bag.
Oh, it is slippery too. Dang. Our skin is so dry from washing our hands so much. Yep.
Are you gonna do the first break, Diane?
I don't remember if you're supposed to put them in order, but I just put them in there. Our old table growing up used to have a marker so you knew where to put it.
It did.
Do you remember that little mark?
I do.
I don't know if I have
This
one.
is not a full-size regulation table, but
That's good enough. We all shrink the older we get.
look at that. Oh, all right. Oh, we forgot to put in the baskets. Okay.
We're bad. It didn't ship it. It bounced.